To cite a web page for which no author is given, we will begin with the title of the web page itself. The title of the web page will be given in italics. Within the title of the web page, there are only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the title, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. Everything else is lowercase. We will then end the web page title section with a period. Once we have provided the web page information, we then need to provide the publication date for the web page. We will first insert opening parentheses. Then, if we have the exact publication date, we will first present the year of publication followed by a comma. Then give the month and the day that the web page was published. All of this should be within parentheses and followed by a period. However, it is often difficult to find the exact publication date for a web page. Provide what information you have. If you only have the year and month, provide that, as is shown here. If you only have the year, provide that information. If no date is provided, include the lowercase letters n and d followed by periods within the parentheses. This is an abbreviation for no date. After providing the publication date for the web page, we will then provide the title of the website. The website title is capitalized normally. We will capitalize all nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. We then follow the website title with a period. Finally, we will provide the retrieval information for the web page. Since online content can be changed, we must provide references to when and where we retrieved this article. We will begin by typing the word retrieved. We will then provide the month, day, and year when we accessed the web page. Be sure to punctuate this date appropriately. We will then type the word from and give the URL address where we found the article. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information we are providing from web pages.